How's it going, everybody? Cody does it. Back at it again with another video. And yeah, this is why you should change your oil, because this is gross. This leak is awful. I might be here for the next week cleaning sludge off of yet another F250. We got this vehicle in on a trade or an auction, or either way, not good. I'm trying to clean everything up the best I can so we can try to figure out where it's leaking from. Yeah, highly advise change your oil on time. Don't wait another week. Don't wait another day. Change your oil today. That is all. Follow me on Instagram, Cody Does It 89. Follow me on YouTube if you're watching this there. Cody Does It. As always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next nasty video.